What if the secret to unlocking your financial success was hiding in your spice cabinet? Imagine using something as simple as a clove to change your financial future. It might sound surprising, but in the rich tradition of Buddhism, this humble spice is believed to possess the power to attract wealth and protect your money. In this video, we're going to explore how cloves have been used in ancient rituals to bring prosperity, and how you can apply these time-honored practices in your own life. Stick around, because what you learn today could be the key to transforming your financial destiny. Cloves have always been more than just a kitchen staple in many Asian cultures. They hold a deep spiritual significance, especially in Buddhism. These small aromatic buds are revered for their ability to protect and purify, making them powerful tools in rituals designed to invite prosperity and abundance. In Buddhism, everything is interconnected. The energy we cultivate within ourselves is reflected in our external world. This belief is where cloves come into play. Their unique structure, a four-part formation with a central bud, symbolizes unity and balance, much like the Four Noble Truths in Buddhism. By incorporating cloves into specific rituals, it is believed that you can align your energy with the flow of abundance, opening the door to financial prosperity. But how does this ancient practice translate to our modern lives? Let's dive into 3 simple yet powerful Buddhist rituals involving cloves that can help you attract financial success. The first ritual focuses on bringing positive energy into your living space. Here's how it works. Take 3 cloves and plant them in a pot with a snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is not only hardy, but also known for its air-purifying qualities, symbolizing the clearing of financial obstacles. Place this plant at the entrance of your home or office. In Buddhist tradition, the entrance is seen as a gateway for energy to flow in and out. By placing the plant here, you're effectively inviting wealth and protection into your life, creating a sanctuary of positive financial energy. Next, we have a ritual that directly focuses on your money. It's simple. Place 3 cloves in the area where you store your money, whether that's a safe, a drawer, or a box. As you place each clove, say an affirmation like, "I am abundant, my wealth is protected, and prosperity flows into my life." These words, combined with the cloves' protective energy, are believed to create a powerful shield around your finances, encouraging growth and safeguarding your wealth. The third ritual is something you can carry with you every day, a personal charm for abundance. Take 3 cloves and a coin or banknote and place them in a small red cloth bag. Red is the color of energy, power, and prosperity, making it ideal for this charm. Carry this bag in your purse, wallet, or pocket. Every time you see it or touch it, it serves as a reminder of the positive financial energy you're attracting into your life. This little charm is more than just a token. It's a constant source of financial protection and abundance, helping you stay focused on your financial goals. These rituals may seem simple, but they carry a profound message. In Buddhism, it's not just about the actions you take, but the intention behind them. Cloves, with their ancient symbolism of protection and purification, help you focus your intentions and align your energy with the frequency of abundance. This concept isn't just spiritual, it's grounded in modern psychology as well. Many self-help philosophies today emphasize the power of positive thinking and intention setting, principles that align closely with these ancient rituals. By bringing these practices into your daily life, you're not only embracing a spiritual tradition, but also engaging in a form of mindfulness that can lead to real-world financial success. In today's hectic world, where financial stress is a constant companion for many, finding simple yet effective ways to manage your finances can be incredibly empowering. These clove rituals offer a way to bring mindfulness and purpose into your financial life. They remind you to approach your finances with calm, clarity, and intention, opening yourself up to the flow of prosperity. But it's not just about the money. These rituals also connect you to something greater, a sense of spiritual fulfillment. They show us that wealth isn't just about accumulating money. It's about the energy we cultivate and the intentions we set. Interestingly, modern science has also recognized the benefits of cloves. Known for their healing properties, cloves are often used in natural remedies. While these physical benefits are well documented, the spiritual benefits recognized in Buddhist practices add another layer of meaning to this humble spice. When combined with other symbols of wealth like the laughing Buddha or the 5-spice powder common in Asian cuisine, cloves can be part of a holistic approach to attracting prosperity. These practices aren't just about accumulating wealth. They're about creating a balanced, harmonious life where financial well-being naturally follows. So, what if the secret to your financial success isn't in complex investments or endless budgeting, but in something as simple as a few cloves? What other ancient practices could be waiting to help you transform your life? If you're curious to explore more, don't miss our next video where we uncover another powerful tradition that might hold the key to your next big breakthrough.